Okay? So let's start first at Freedom Park. So this is the Freedom Park, from the Obelisk to Freedom Park. This area is the barracks na area, katong before. So there will be an extension of the Freedom Park para mas open siya na space, inviting for all people.
Lupad na siya.
And invite pa na siya. So at the frontage, makita ko na to, this is now the facade of the public market building. So as you've seen, sa front there's the public market is naa siya sa ubos. There's a lower ground and upper ground. And there's an escalator leading to the second floor where the commercial areas would be. 3 floors of commercial area. Okay, so let's visit first the wet market. On the side, you will actually see a perfect representation na even while you are along the road, you will see nga naay market sa taas and naay market sa ubos. So a wide opening is an open space, airlocks siya diha. Okay. So as you enter the wet market, on this side, you'll be greeted with a chicken section. These are the stalls that we've actually shared to you earlier. And then we walk through the seafoods section in color coded na blue. Until we reach the meat section in red. Yeah. And as you go through, we'd like to highlight the blowers. Dili lang siya ingana yun nga, obviously, but the entire area will have blowers and air vents because that's a primary need, particularly sa wet market, to ensure na dili baho and bugawas any stench from the wet market. So, of the entire area of the market, this is not the final look of the place yet, but there's a dedicated butcher's area. Okay. Likewise, there's also a cold storage facility in the area. Just in that, since ang mga carcass man, there's a ramp dedicated para easier ang pag-transport, e-bike, kalumata, katong carts can actually pass by here. From the delivery nila, just a few, not one floor above, along the street level na. Because on that side is already the trucks. Okay? Let's take a look at how it would look like at the centermost part, the atrium. So, if you look up, it's a skylight. The atrium is actually open. Para na ay natural light that would come in also to the market. So at least dili siya niog, di siya ngit-ngit tanawon sa sulod. Kana. So ladies and gentlemen, that is your wet market area. Okay. So now, let's move on to how the delivery would actually happen. So here would be the parking sa mga trucks. Okay? Pag-park sa mga trucks, doon na dayon siya sa atong delivery area. Sa atong delivery area. And the delivery actually, the delivery area automatically leads to the ramp. So ang fruits section, on top, masayon na siya bisitahon sa deliveries and the wet market sa ubos from the delivery area. So very convenient also. So now, let's go back to the main facade. So as you've seen, 360 degrees, it's an open market. So let's go back to the main facade in front. As we enter, so you would know how it feels like when you enter the upper ground.
Lupad na siya.
So, welcome to the upper ground floor. As you enter, immediately you'll be greeted with the flower section. So we will really bring back the original location of the flowers in that area. Sila gyapon ang mo-greet sa mga tao in that area, leading an entire stretch of flower stalls. Here is a sample and a proof that we are to accommodate ambulant vendors. So regular stall holders, as they are na nagbayad of business permits and processing, they are to occupy 2 by 2. But here, ambulant vendors, since ang hipos-hipos man na sila, they are dedicated a shared space of 1 by 1 na area, kato siya na area. So they can just come and leave also. Natives section as is at the corner area. So nagtapok po ang natives. Another tawag kanina ng original occupant of that area. And then we lead to the right side, the entire stretch from the entrance of the building, kutob sa likod, would be all of your fruits section. And right now, after the fruit section, we haven't shown this to the vendors yet, but exclusively to the media, we'll show you how the second floor and above would look like. To manage expectations, empty pa siya. Wala pa man may floor, amo mag-develop ang floor plan. So once you enter, it's an entire area. It will be occupied by commercial stalls. So dagko na sila. Ideally would be services, banks, mga tawag ani mga pawn shops, mga pera padala, courier services, a bazaar, tawag ani mga cellphone shops, kala mga yan.
Ukay-ukay.
Ukay-ukay, they will be accommodated. There are vendors manggod na ukay-ukay. So at least, just an assurance from the second to fourth floor area, there will be none directly competing with the vendors. So there was a chismis na magtukod daw may o grocery diri. False. So no grocery or supermarket in this building because in Carbon, if moadto ka dito, wala tayo makitaan sa grocery nga nakaputos nga tag 5 nga ketchup. Once you reach the fourth floor, we'll do a separate preview once the loaf is already ready. But the fourth floor will be entire food court. So there's a Cebuano dishes, but likely your big brands will be at the fourth floor. So the likes of Jollibee, Chowking, or whatever, na sila sa fourth floor. So reason being na sila sa fourth floor kaya para manakapod ang mga tao. So again, there would be on the ground floor, it's dedicated, on the lower and upper ground floor, it's dedicated to the vendors. Kaya siya. Okay, so how about let's call in our candidate number 1 to try in. Let's go back to